Hi there. Watch me make my first buttercream animal and tree stump cake. Yay! For this one I decided to go with a chocolate sponge and chocolate Swiss meringue buttercream. I had the plan of doing like a tree stump look on the outside. I had no idea how it was going to turn out. Here I'm doing the crumb coat. This is also like 2 times speed up because I don't think anybody would want to watch like a 25-minute video of me piping and decorating. Maybe, I don't know. Let me know. But yeah, this is the crumb coat. I usually do a crumb coat and then I do the other coat with whatever color I want the cake to be. But here, I didn't really have a plan from the beginning. I just did a crumb coat and then on top of the crumb coat, I piped the sides of the stump. Yeah, that's why it only has one coat of crumb coat, not a coat of croat. I'm almost done with it here. I have been practicing decorating cakes for about 2 months, and I really just want to improve and practice. Here I'm doing the little swirl that tree stumps usually have when you cut them in half. Oh god. Yeah, and I'm using a pretty sure it's 2D tip. At first, I wasn't sure about how it was looking. I thought it was maybe too 3D. You know what I'm saying? But in the end, I think it does the effect of a tree stump. It was pretty fun to pipe. You don't have to be very precise with it. And then you're gonna see later on that it starts to fall down a little bit on one of those little swirls. So that was a mistake that I probably would change if I did it again. I would pipe it closer to the cake, kind of squishing it more into the cake. But yeah, now I am piping some very poopy looking bears. I was practicing, but they turned out a little too small, so I decided to try it again. He had so many rolls, and it made me laugh so much. This is a trick that I use, which is, I kind of forgot that I needed a different tip to make the ears and the snout. So I just put the piping bag with the color that I want inside the other piping bag with another tip, and it works really well. So here I was making the face, the eyes and the mouth, and you can see my hand shaking there because I couldn't stop laughing. He was so chonky and very not perfect, but I love him. I loved him. He is gone now, but he will live on. Here I'm trying to make some mushrooms, and I really thought I could just pipe the little stem, or is that what it's called? I don't know. mushroom stick on the bottom, and then I could just squirt a little bit of, you know, the cap, and it didn't work. So just stay with me. I will make this work. I'm piping some mushroom legs and mushroom hats. And I just wanted to show you because I opened the fridge and I saw him, and you have to see it too. Then I wanted to add some vines. This is really fun, you know, you just have to be random with it. Do lots of little swirls. It's very satisfying to see it sped up. Unfortunately here, it broke and it fell, but I just ran with it, and it has a really droopy vine, which in nature it could have that. Whatever vine part that broke, I would just make more leaves on it to cover the mistake. So yeah, I'm just adding leaves everywhere. A lot of leaves. Here, it still hasn't fallen off. It's falling there. Can you see it? Also, I ended up giving the cake to my in-laws, and it gets a little hot there in the afternoon. The side of the cake, the little trunk thingies were literally melting down. It made me a little sad. My poor cake. Also, I think the bear was just getting squished down, but maybe he was just always like that. Okay, I think I'm almost done with the leaves here. Yay, there's the bear. I kind of want to call him Pooh Bear. Is that funny? Look at those rolls. Oh, that is his Stump. Here I go trying to build those mushrooms. I put them in the fridge after I piped them. Kind of worked, but there has to be a better way to do this, you know. I'm learning, I'm practicing. You're seeing me practice and try things and fail. I want to share everything, you know. If you have any tips or advice or suggestions of things I should do next, please let me know. I would love to talk with you guys, or you person if maybe only one person watches this video. Thank you so much for watching this. Continuing with the cake, this is decided to add some accents of this pretty blue little flowers. It looked a little like it needed something not on the leaves. Here comes another mushroom. This one on the top was scary. I kind of freaked out a little bit, but hey, they don't look too bad. It kind of looks like poo just sat on it, and let's just go with that. Then I added a little cocoa powder on top, and this is it. Do you like it? What else should I do? Thank you so much for watching.